Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Heather and you are watching Electrical Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find primary and secondary winding using a multimeter or how to test a transformer using a multimeter. So first of all, in this video, I want to show you some transformer. These are three transformers. All are step down transformer, and if you notice that this transformer is a step down transformer, input 250 VAC 50 Hertz and output 13 V and X1. It means that only 13 volt is in secondary winding. So first of all, I want to clear you that if this is a step down transformer and we have primary for 250 VAC, it means that the resistance of the primary winding will be high and the secondary resistance will be low according the primary winding resistance, because the primary winding is designed for 250 VAC and the secondary winding is designed for 13 VAC, 13 volts. So if I check this wire, so it's if I don't know that which one is primary and which one is secondary, so I need to test using a multimeter, and I will select not the connectivity test, because this is a small transformer and the resistance is too high in primary winding, and we cannot check this resistance using connectivity test or 200 ohms testing range. We need to 2000 resistance testing option. So if I connect the testing probes, so it's show me 8 ohms, and if I check this red color wires, it show me 1083 ohms. It means that the resistance is high in this side, and this is the primary winding and this is the secondary winding, because the primary winding is designed for 250 VAC volts and the secondary winding is designed for 13 volts. Here I have another transformer, and if you look on this transformer, the input of the transformer is 230 volts, 50 hertz, and output is 12 volts x2. X2 means that we have 12 plus 12. So by its secondary is 12 VAC X2, it means that we have three wires in this side, so this is the secondary winding. This is 12 volts, and if we take these two wires, it will be 24 volts, so 12 plus 12, and this is the primary side. In case if we have no connectivity in the winding, or if we test these winding using a multimeter and multimeter show an open circuit, so it's mean that the winding is internally damaged. For example, if I test these two wires and the multimeter shown that out of limit, it means that the internally winding is damaged and we need to replace this transformer with the same rating of another transformer. We have also another transformer and we don't have any reading on this transformer, and I know that this is a 12 volt step down transformer, input 220 VAC and output 12 volts. So if we check this side, it will show the low resistance and it will show the high resistance. It means that this is the primary winding and this is the secondary winding. That's all. By using this method, you can easily find out the primary and secondary winding of any step up or step down transformer, but this method is only used for the isolated transformer. If you have an auto transformer, for example, if we have an auto transformer and this is a step down transformer. Step down transformer, and the input is 220 VAC and output is 12 volt VAC. It means that this is a step down transformer, but this is a auto transform. In isolated transfer we have no connectivity with primary and secondary, between the primary and secondary winding, but in auto transfer we have the connectivity between primary and secondary. So for example, this is the primary side and this is the secondary side, and we have a connectivity with one another, primary and secondary, and the input is neutral and line. So if we test the resistance, or if we want to find out the primary and secondary, we first we need to test the resistance between this first point z, if I name it A, B and C. So if the A and B, let me change the marker, if the A and C resistance is 105 ohm, for example, it's just an example, and if the A and B resistance is 100 ohms, and if the A and and the B and C resistance is 5 ohms, it means that the A and C is 105, so and the A and B is 100 ohms, so this is the primary, because we have high resistance in primary winding, because this is a step down transformer and the primary winding is designed for 220 VAC. So the A and B is primary, and the B and the C resistance is 5 ohms, so it means the B and C resistance is 5 ohms, so that's why this is the secondary winding. So primary is A and B, and B and C is secondary winding. That's all. You can easily check any transformer winding primary and secondary using this method. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.